Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. The parcel just arrived at the door for my wife. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, we document the invoice. Okay, let's see what it says on the box. Move to Zero is Nike's journey towards zero carbon and zero waste to help protect the future of sport. Move to Zero. This product is made with at least 20% recycled content by weight, which reduces waste and our carbon footprint. Sun is shining through the window today, folks. Okay. Okay, so let's put them on the counter there so we can get a better view here where there's no sunshine. Okay, so what these are Nike Free 5.0 minimalist shoes. I'm a big proponent, as you know, for wearing minimalist shoes when I jump rope, and my wife also happens to like minimalist shoes. So these ones are super light. Of course, they are a little bit smaller than mine. These are size 3 UK. Let's see, babe, the bottom, how flexible is it? So as you can see, the shoe is extremely flexible. These Nike minimalist shoes are supposed to mimic the barefoot walking experience. So I have a pair of Nike Free 5.0 myself. You haven't seen me wearing them yet in a video. Well, I've worn older models, but I haven't worn one of the latest pairs of Nike Free 5.0s. So these are one of the most latest ones. I have a pair of 5.0s which I haven't worn yet in a video that I bought in about 2020. I'm wearing them these days around the house and around town, but soon I will be wearing them in a jump rope video. I also got another package in the mail about a week ago connected with jumping rope, and I will be opening that very soon and unveiling the contents. So these are Nike Free RN 5.0 Nature minimalist shoes. They are extremely light. The fabric looks pretty cool. And one thing nice about these Nike Free 5.0 compared to the 5.0s that I have is that they have a little bit extra padding around the back of the shoe here. The 5.0s I have are extremely light. I'll show you those in another video. So these are 5.0s. They have a gold check mark on the side. You can also get them in various other colors such as black and white. You can get some blue ones, but my wife preferred this particular color. We paid approximately 71 euro, but I just see today that they are completely sold out and they have raised the price. I bought these from a website called Zalando, Z-A-L-A-N-D-O. I've bought shoes from them in the past, and you can get some great details. So the Nike Free 5.0, and as they said, they have used recycled material in these shoes, which is pretty cool. They are extremely light, and as you can see, the sole is nice and flexible, so they're supposed to mimic the barefoot walking experience. Let's put these on shortly and give them a spin.